All right, screw Facebook. I'm making a quick YouTube video. We just released a $100 bass tune for Holley Terminator X's. This is going to be a million times better than the Wizard tune for all you DIYers. It's going to give you a great starting point to learn. You can buy it for $100 without the advanced tables, or you can spend $150 and you get all my advanced tables. I'm going to be making a video soon going over the advanced tables and how to update them trackside, etc. So you can do that on your own. We also have had a lot of tuning inquiries recently, so we have a product on our website now, $300. There's only 3 of them. When they're gone, they're gone. After that, we're gonna increase it to 400 or 500. I care too much, and I'm spending too much time rather than sending 30% fuel correction out the door like some of these other shops are. I care too much, and I think this is going to work amazing for you guys. Check out our website, $100 bass tunes for Holley. Thanks for watching.